Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Uhuru Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Uhuru Wireless Gaming Mouse is pretty stylish right here. It's got a breathing LED light, multi-colored LED light, as you can see. What makes it wireless is that it has this little dongle, okay? And it's just USB, and this goes in the computer to any USB port, and then you can use the mouse from anywhere, as long as it's close enough. It's 2.4 gigahertz wireless technology. Inside the box, which comes in this very stylish box, it has an instruction manual. It comes with the mouse itself. It also comes with some extra silicone feet for the mouse. And finally, it comes with a USB cable. This is also the cable that will charge the mouse. If you look at the mouse right here, it has a micro USB port right there, and that's where you charge it through. The battery is actually a rechargeable battery that's inside the mouse itself. The mouse itself stores as itself, so you can actually just keep the mouse like this and store it in your bag like this. The USB dongle fits right there in this little space right there and has an on and off switch for it, so it doesn't accidentally turn on in your bag. And again, it uses a light sensor for the mouse, so you can actually have this on almost any surface. The mouse smoothly slides on any surface. It has these silicone feet, and they're very thick, so they're very, very good. It's been working great at my work. I've had this out for about a week at work, and this is an awesome mouse. It's probably the best mouse I've had for a portable one, and making it wireless makes it so that there's no wired cable that's going to break on it like my other ones have over time. When you first get the mouse, you're going to use the included USB cable, and you're going to charge it. Just plug one end into the mouse itself, right on the front here. The micro USB cable goes in there, and the other part just plugs into your computer as a USB port. And you'll see that the mouse is charging. To use your mouse wirelessly in the computer, you just want to get the dongle from underneath it. Get the dongle to come out. Then we're just going to plug the dongle into the computer, and it will set up on your Windows device. You also have to turn on the mouse on the bottom by just flipping the off switch to on. You'll see the red light come on, and then the mouse will work, no problem. The Uhuru Wireless Gaming Mouse also has differentiation in the DPI, and that's this button right here. If we just click that, it has 5 different settings. It adjusts from 500 DPI all the way up to 7,000 DPI. So does a very good job. It also has a frame rate of 5,300 frames per second. It does everything I need, basically. Again, adjusting the DPI with this button right here. This is the slowest setting. You can see on the screen that's pulling just a little bit. It's the second fastest. Third, which is what I use the middle setting. Fourth, and fifth, which is very, very sensitive. Feeling of the mouse itself, it has this nice rubberized coating on it. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and it even has these 2 side buttons which you can program. You download the software from the website, and the link is actually in the instruction manual that comes with the mouse. It will work without the software, but what the software allows you to do, as you can see here, is it lets you program all of these buttons. What I did was I changed it to volume plus on this side and volume minus on this side. So on the side of the mouse here, with these 2 buttons, I go volume up and volume down, and it has advanced settings right here. Pointer visibility, pointer speed, and the scroll speed of the mouse wheel. You could save these as profiles, so that way you can have your own profile to load at any time. I prefer gaming mice because of the way that they have the different DPIs and everything. But for gaming, this mouse is just as good as any other gaming mouse out there. We're gonna play some Angry Birds with the Uhuru Wireless Gaming Mouse. As you can see, I'm controlling the volume with the mouse itself with that button. And it's very, very accurate on the mouse. If I scroll left and right, it works very, very well. And I'm going to grab, pull back, full accuracy right there. And it did a very, very nice job. I want to turn the DPI down a little bit more, just so I have a little more control. You can see that it doesn't scroll as fast. And I'm on the second highest setting right now. So here we go. And that did a pretty nice job. For gaming, it would do a nice job. If you have first-person shooters or anything, you're going to be able to adjust anything you need right here. Overall, I highly recommend the Uhuru Wireless Gaming Mouse if you're looking for a gaming mouse. One that's wireless, you don't have to worry about wired cables at all. That was a big feature for me, especially for work, because I kept ruining mice with cables. The last one that I had was really cheap. The cable just kind of snapped right near the USB dongle right here that goes into the port. If you'd like to purchase your Uhuru Wireless Gaming Mouse, please look for a link in the description below. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, please click the thumbs up button to like it and push the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all your support on that. I want to say thank you very much for watching and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.